everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change email on Joann account. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Open a web browser and in the URL box type in joann.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of joann.com, make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main homepage, mouse over to the human icon at the top right and click on My Account. Now, this will take you to the account settings page. Scroll down and click on the Edit button right next to Contact Information. Head over to the Email tab and enter the new email you'd like to change to. Once you are done entering the email, click on Save and you'll be able to change your email on joann.com account. So that's how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.